Ooh. Oh, it's a chilly one. Oh, excuse me. Be with you in a blink. Home at last. Well, Merry Christmas to you. I suppose you're all wondering what me, a cricket, is doing here on Christmas Eve with a home of me own. See, I am a part of the family, as it were. Oh, and it's a lucky household what has a cricket on their hearth. And indeed I am good luck. For if it hadn't been for Cricket Crockett here, why, there wouldn't be no blinking family. I'll tell you how it all began. Long time ago it was. Springtime, if I remember's correct. Oh, I was some cracking cricket, I can tell you. Ready to take on the world, I was. I was looking for a proper family to adopt. When all of a sudden I spies a species that's supposed to be a turkey. It seemed to be sleeping. And that's when it was met up with...
Look, over there.
I don't see. Where?
There.
Careful. Careful.
Wow. What is it?
I don't know.
It looks kind of furry.
Look out. It's moving.
It's scratching itself.
It's got giant paws.
Achoo!
Run away!
Ah!
It's a monster. A huge hairy monster.
Are you sure? I thought monsters were a lot bigger than that.
Well, maybe it's just half a monster.
It's huge. It'll eat everything.
What if it comes after us? Listen, what's that?
That's his stomach growling. That's not growling, it's snoring.
The most dangerous time. 'Cause then he wakes up and swallows us. Whole.
Aren't you scared, Gerald Cuthbert?
Don't call me that. The name's JC and nothing scares me. I'll show you who's stuff. Follow me.
Here now, what's this?
It's opening its mouth. Run away! Stay back!
Look at it. It's got lots of big, sharp teeth.
He'll eat all our carrots, and then us, one by one. I don't want to be eaten by a monster.
Me neither.
Me neither. Not me.
We should just leave it alone.
You're right. But it looks lonely.
It's not our fault.
But Mom said we should help others. There might be something wrong with him.
So do we care? We're not monster doctors.
Meanie, you're afraid. I'm getting a closer look.
No, don't. I'm telling Dad.
Be careful. Is she okay?
Did it eat her? Can we look?
Hey, who are you? Are you all by yourself? Hey, he's nice. Wait for me. Wait for me, too. I'm coming, too. Come on, let's go. I told you, I'm right behind you.
There's a lot of you little furballs.
Yeah, we...
Do you live here? Who are you?
The rabbits. You know. We live in the forest by the river.
And who are you?
I'm a dog. Man's best friend.
A dog? What's that?
That means human.
A dog. What's a dog?
See, I knew that. He's a monster dog, and we don't want anything to do with him.
He has cute eyes for a dog.
No, they're horrible.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
Well, then why are you here?
My owner left me.
Did you say your owner's a human?
Yeah, but I'm sure they'll be right back.
Mom said to run if we ever see humans. Don't,
Humans hunt rabbits.
Not all of them. My owner's not like that. You'll see for yourself. He'll be here soon. I hope.
Then you just wait for your owner, okay?
Butaság! Egyáltalán nem butaság. Akár ezt a konzervdobozt úgy ott hagyták szegény szerencsétlent.
De én nem vagyok konzervdoboz.
Blimey!
It'll be back.
I think I'm hungry. Yeah.
Yeah.
To the carrot patch. Follow me.
Good luck, Harry. See ya.
My name's Tiny.
Well then, Tiny, take care of yourself.
Itt vannak! Végre!
I need to do something about this. I didn't mean to spook you like that. I was trying to give you some attention.
Who are you?
Crockett's the name. Cricket Crockett.
What do you? Or
Well, I've come to tell you that I'm going to help you tell your mate about helping that person.
what have do you know about?
We've got no time for it, so let's go.